Now, in the real-time collaboration, what we found that on the fly, we need to search something with the context where the team is discussing on. If the search capability is not there, then you have to come out of Moodle and then start doing those search and then bring the content for the discussion. That becomes painful. Now, Moodle should be looking at within the environment of the workspace so that users should not go beyond that itself. And the last but not least, the app integration in terms of providing integration to various other applications, likes of Outlook, or looking at in commercial applications, talking about some financials, project management tools, or any other application which is enterprise class application should be integrated either via the web services, because today we are looking at SOA protocol in which this would be able to expose the web services and pull it within Moodle by which the application could be integrated. Now, this is not very task which is expensive or cost intensive. It requires some kind of an open integration interfaces by which Moodle becomes function rich and leverages with current tools available in the marketplace in the cloud environment. And one can really examine what tools are available for integration in the cloud, which is again hosted and which is also on open source market. Since Moodle is open source, it will be easy for our community to see those tools and gadgets to integrate in the whole environment of that. And I'm a great fan of the social networking, and most of the people today in the enterprise, they are envisioning that enterprise will very soon start looking at enterprise networking environment, where people should be looking at what has been linked based on the the taste, based on your need. Those kind of content should be given on the fly. It should be more proactive rather than reactive in terms of pushing the content. Likes of success of Facebook, we have seen how widely Facebook has been expanded into the user community. Same thing is happening with LinkedIn. Can Moodle bring in those capabilities within that environment so that the content gets tagged with the user profile, those user profile uploads any content, gets proliferated within the team, and the team becomes educated as we speak in the real-time environment. Then I'm very concerned about the security access controllers. We discussed about the central desktop, the social text, and other tools. They provide some kind of access control mechanism. Moodle doesn't have that, so we are not sure how they are managing the access of the document. If I'm uploading my Word document, is it exposed to everybody? Has it got some kind of filter by which the document should not be edited by others? Today, I can download and upload the same version on Moodle. So we have no sanctity of those content whatsoever. Now, those things has to be looked at within Moodle, by which that collaboration becomes a little bit secure, a little bit within the team, or going forward, it could be more private as well. So if we are looking at within the team, in the graduate, in the postgraduate classes, we should be restricting the access of this content. And when we upload, that should be progressive. It should be more accessible to the larger community. And when that becomes, that is the thing which we are looking at, the secure access control mechanism of that. Now, we have created a little bit of prototype, what we meant by usability, and Aga has done a good job to mock those, and probably Aga will discuss how the dashboard should look like in Moodle, how the communication should look like. That will be more convincing to our community in Moodle. Aga.
Thank you, Alok. As you can see from this mock-up, this is the new dashboard that everyone can see. It's fully customizable for each user. What it has is focus on 6 central things. The first one, the most important, is searching for documents that you upload and easy-to-use interface. The other one is chat. That opens up a chat module where you can chat with everyone or chat privately. Forums, which are basically discussion boards, the most used feature. Sending email is another strong feature that we want in Moodle, where we can send either mass emails to everyone or specific emails to some certain people. Voice and web conference, we want an integrated tool where either we can invite people to outside web and voice conferencing tools, or create one internally. Send out an invitation to everyone saying tomorrow at 8 p.m. there's a voice conference. It sends out an invitation, it shows you who has accepted it, who cannot come, who's thinking about it, everything integrated. And the biggest and most important thing is managing social network integration. What we do here is Twitter, Google, MySpace, RSS feeds, and Facebook, and other things that I stumble upon. We integrate them where any information that we share on Moodle can be shared with others, either everyone or only the users in a project who have shared and integrated their social profiles. And what we can also do is create our own pages, for example, on Facebook, a Moodle page just for Facebook. You can click the link here. It's going to create a whole page for Facebook and invite everyone to it. So they can see what we are doing socially, and we can invite outside people to participate. In the navigation side, in the picture, we've decided a few more links, like you can see your grades, send emails, and manage other things. So basically, the main interface that we want is more visual, with more features to it, so everyone knows what's going on, and it reduces the amount of time taken to learn to how to navigate Moodle. The second integration that we were thinking of and enhancement was to register for new courses and integration with other calendars like Outlook and Facebook and MySpace calendars. Regarding the courses, right now you are allowed through Moodle to add new courses if you know the course number or if you have an access key. What we would like for Moodle to do is to provide a list, if the administrator allows, of all the courses, and to be able to register for this course. So basically, instead of a student or anyone going directly to the admin, or in case of an education institute, to the bursar's office to pay first, you register first, get a feeling, you can see a demo, and then you're taken to a payment site, right? Everything from Moodle. You don't have to do anything offline. So if you are, for example, interested in this course at 2 a.m., you don't have to wait till the next morning when you lose the interest. You can do it right there. Happens to me. Another integration is the Outlook and Facebook calendar. Different things happening on Moodle can be shown here, and you can click on any date and you can share that information on Facebook, again with everyone on Facebook or with the specific team members who are on Facebook. This can be done with Outlook also. In terms of Outlook, it's going to send it through ActiveSync or anything else that Outlook connects with, like Outlook Connector, to all the people, and they can click on it in their email and it adds that deadline to their Outlook calendar. Another thing we want to see is more integration of the actively discussed course topics to get an idea of what's going on in different courses and who's commenting and who's starting the course. This is another overview that we want to see in Moodle. This may probably become the most used page for everyone, the weekly overview. You log in and this should be, along with the dashboard, your choice. You can choose either the dashboard or this page. You can see that whenever you log in. It shows the weekly stuff like it already does, but what we have done is added more admin tools to it, where you can check all your uploaded files, your forum messages, and your grades. You can see all your courses, and at the same time, what we have done is made it more social. We have integrated more social networking to it. You can actually see what your fellow team members are saying on Twitter, on Facebook, and you can also participate in actual polls. Instead of creating a discussion forum, asking people something, everyone can just vote. For example, here we created a sample mode. Should Google Chat be implemented within Moodle? When people are voting, we need more integration of social features and actual social activity. So when you come to the weekly overview, you're not here just to look at information and okay, I will go here to take action. You can take action right there. So it reduces the step to actually participate in different things. Another thing that Moodle lacks, as Alak and others pointed, is file and version control. What we want is something where each uploaded file, again, if the admin permits, shows all the previous revisions, shows unlimited edits, and if you notice here, if it says current, that means Alak is working on this file right now. And it shows all the previous versions. You can click on any version at any time, and you can see what changes have been made. They're highlighted. And the good thing about it is if Alak accidentally deletes a file or adds something which